Alrighty. Okay. So let's see if the test works.
I expect it to fail now.
Do you have like the live debug there? Was it showing the failure to load assets on the terminal?
Yep, it will. We
Okay.
will see this. Do you see this in a second? It has. Let me see. The binding.price still in place. It is in place after the whole party ended, kind of. So it is not interfering with anything.
Sweet. All right. So it's running and loading right now.
Yeah, we have to be a little careful because the bummer is that this will open up a new Chrome instance every time, and I missed out on closing the old ones, but I'm expecting to. I'm not closing one now because I don't want to close the. But we will see one popping up and then triggering a reload in a sec. Here we are. This is
Here we go.
This is what is interesting to us.
Data. All right, we're loading stuff. Okay, failed to resolve async component. Oh man, oh no, look at all
but this is,
of course.
it is still funny enough for what we're trying to test, still kind of unrelated. Like it is not great that all of those async imports are not working out, but the confirm model is for the feature that we're trying to test here. This is the crucial one.
Right, but like even the top nav, if you hit the menu,
yeah, nothing that comes in
async modules are getting loaded. Okay,
absolutely not.
And that is what we fixed a while ago. And so can you open up that MR?
Can I?
I think it's that one.
This one correctly? Correct?
Yes. So I think we can actually just copy. I think we can just apply this diff. If you copy the, I bet we can just copy the URL.
Yeah, we could. I just have it in my stash if that's okay for you.
Sure. Yeah, however you want to apply those changes.
Sweet. So these are the exact same changes that we've just been looking at.
Yes. Yeah. I see you commented out that if else block. Yep. Awesome. Did you apply it? Cool. Yeah. You just did get diff.
Yeah,
we're good.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's run it again, and let me quickly close all of this garbage. Sweet. So yeah, I expect this to work now, because that's the actual issue. And while we're at it, Paul, I understood that this was an issue before, but can you briefly explain what on earth's going on here? Because I don't fully get those changes.
What we discovered, your name's actually tied to this original MAR too, Yannick, which is funny.
Oh God. Okay.
What we discovered was, and I'm really curious to see what this network tab shows up. But for some reason, we had code that under a test environment pointed webpack to a different host. And it just didn't really make sense why we needed to. And those async assets weren't living on that host. So we just undid that clause, which didn't seem like it was needed. And so now everything loads.
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
So that's it. So yeah, now everything loads. All right. Thanks.
And why?
What were we gonna say, Yannick?
I was just curious about some further information why this was reworded and reworded and things like that. No idea. Okay.
Yeah, no idea why. When we looked at the commit history, it looks like it even might have been an accident, but I'm really concerned in why. I want to see where that. I got to follow that commit trail. I'm a little concerned why that diff wasn't showing what I thought. So anyways,
Yet.
Thanks, Yannick. Thanks, Sean.